All right, meteorologist Dean Davison for the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We're putting out this right now because we're looking at what we're looking at for ice accumulation, ice accretion. This is not going to be good news for anybody that is in Bedford County, Roanoke County, Franklin County, Pennsylvania County, Martinsville, Henry County. Any of these areas are actually in bad shape. Even a 10th of an inch in Lynchburg, we're looking at some pretty serious potential ice. It's right along the Blue Ridge, right along the mountain chains. We're going to have the worst ice. Right now, they're calling between 0.2 and a quarter inch ice in Roanoke. That's a lot of ice. We got to watch out for trees and limbs coming down, and possibly some power outages when you get down towards Bent Mountain, Blue Ridge Parkway. I think that they said they were closing that at 9 o'clock tonight. Just a serious icing problem could be occurring at that location. Anything over a 10th of an inch is going to cause some issues with the roadways. The cold air is into the ground. We have a lot of cold air that has settled in, and as the rain falls, because not all the parts of the atmosphere are ice cold, so we don't get snow. When it hits the ground, it'll freeze on contact, making freezing rain. Like I said, 0.2 inches in Roanoke, 0.23 in Blacksburg, so pretty uniform there. Even in Martinsville, this is going to be a pretty significant icing event. This is going to be worse here than it is up in Covington and Lexington, where it might have a 10th of an inch. So this is a pretty significant ice storm for earlier in the year. And as you see, it goes down through the North Carolina mountain chains. We'll take a look at timing here. But this is what I want to show you. And I stress to you, please not travel if you don't have to. Tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon. By the evening time, you should be okay. Things should let up. Watch out for falling limbs and prepare by getting your stuff together for power outages, because it could happen, especially in the areas like Bent Mountain and along the Blue Ridge Mountains. But I won't say anywhere in one particular place couldn't. See, when one car goes into a pole, we got issues. You see the moisture comes moving in, boom, hits the cold air. There's where the issues are, right here. See how we get the cold air damming going on here? This is where the issues are going to mainly be. In Southwest Virginia, it's going to move up, actually in parts of central Pennsylvania. But that is what the problem we're going to be having here, with actual some decent freezing rain amounts. This might start some sleet, but it's going to be quickly to freezing rain. And by around probably 11, 12 o'clock tomorrow, it will be all rain. The temperatures will rise. But until then, we're going to see some situations where we're going to see ice accretion. So looking at the ice accretion map, like I said, Southwest Virginia is going to be in for it. We're talking about 0.9, 0.13, 0.2. Let's move over towards Roanoke and Bedford. Some of these spots in the mountains, we're talking about half inch, 0.25, 0.3. So we have to be really careful with that ice. Tomorrow it's going to be a lot of, this is the computer-based data, so this is not to be played around with, to say the least. We ask you to please stay with us here at the Weather Pros and Responding Fire, and we'll keep you updated. As I said, winter weather advisories are out for the whole entire area. I wouldn't be surprised some areas go to warnings. We'll have to see, but be very careful. It's going to start overnight, probably about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, going to go straight through 11, 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon with the freezing rain potential. So be safe, think wise about if you're going to drive or not, and we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thank you very much for watching.